Well, my Infinity Stereo crapped out on my Sebring convertible. Actually, the tape deck crapped out a while ago, and I was using a Sirius FM adapter, and I thought maybe the Sirius FM adapter broke, but it wasn't. It was actually the radio. The radio doesn't work. It's like it acts like it has no antenna, but it's not that, because the FM adapter doesn't work. So this one I got from eBay. It says good, 10.3.16. Big $76 from Holy Scrap. Holy Scrap. It's the exact same model, exact same number. It's one thing you want to look at, you know. Make sure you pull out your radio and look at the number. And you want to do is, you probably don't need to disconnect the battery for the radio too much. I don't really think you do, but I do, just to be on the safe side. Normally, anything I do under the dash, I disconnect the battery. It's very, very, very easy to take the radio out of this damn thing. Surprisingly easier than other cars. You know, the little Chevy's a pain in the ass big time, but this one's easy. So you're looking at the radio right there, and you got this trim piece, and you really just got to kind of pry it out with a screwdriver, a very thin screwdriver, and just pry it out different ways, and it pops out. You know, that's all it does. It just comes out, and you can see I got my little Sirius wire in the background here that goes back to the antenna, and I thought that was the problem, but it acts like it has no it has no antenna. So I thought maybe the Sirius adapter was broke. No, the radio's broke, which is really weird. How many times does a radio break? So there's actually one bolt here and one bolt here. This one's missing. I don't know why I never put one in there. I replaced all those other screws, but I never did. But it's just 2 bolts. Real easy. 10mm, I think. And after you take that bolt out and that bolt, but they are 10mm, you just pull straight out. Nice and easy. And you can see it's the same damn number right up there. So I made sure. I went and looked up on eBay. That's what's cool about eBay or the internet today. You can look up a number. So there you go. And you make sure you got the right one, because there's a lot of different damn radios out there, big time. Okay, so you got a gray and a black, which is you got a gray, right, and a black, right? Can't mess that up. And you got these little clips here. You got to see right there. You got to push that out, and you got to push that one out so you can release it. And on this wire, you squeeze this one, the top right here. Squeeze that, and then it releases out of that little hole right there. Okay, that's like a ground or something. So it should be real easy. Actually, I'm going to put a little WD-40 on this crap, because pins get corroded or something. Real light. Well, that works. So let's put this in here right now and see what happens here. So the cassette deck's screwed up. Not good. It's doing its thing, going back and forth. Boom, boom, boom. Which tells me maybe that's the adapter. Who the hell knows? Maybe it's not the cassette deck. Good question. Well, anyway, the radio works, and the FM adapter works. I can play this Sirius thing on here, and I don't know if you gotta find a station, whatever the hell it is. So anyway, it does work. It does work. The tape deck might be dirty. That might be why it's going back and forth. So probably just use a cleaning, but I don't really use the tape. I was just using it for the adapter. The adapter on a tape deck is actually even a little bit more clear than the FM adapter, but this is fine. Radio works, and the Sirius works, and the CD works. Duh. And if I get this to work, I can put my MP3 player on here, but whatever. No big deal. It probably will work. Very easy to change this radio. Problem is, look for that number on the back, because the number on the back, they got a lot of different radios for Chryslers, you know what I mean? And they'll tell you, fits this, fits that. Yeah, sure. Go by the number. And it's real easy to change, though. That's cool. So 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt, stick it back in, pop this thing back on, and you're all set. Very easy. Unlike other cars where you got to pull everything apart, which is a real pain in the ass, and the plastic brakes and all this kind of crap, it is a pain in the ass on a Chevy.